I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up two-factor authentication on your Xbox can feel a bit daunting, but it's worth the extra security. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Sign into your Microsoft account. Go to the Xbox website and log in with your Microsoft account credentials. This is the account linked to your Xbox. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select My Microsoft account. Then, find the Security tab. Step 3. Set up two-step verification. In the Security section, look for the option labeled Two-Step Verification. Click on it and follow the prompts to enable this feature. Step 4. Choose your verification method. You'll be prompted to select how you want to receive your verification codes via the Microsoft Authenticator app, text message, or email. Choose your preferred method and follow the instructions. Step 5. Confirm and test. After setting up your chosen method, Microsoft will send a test code. Enter this code to confirm everything is working correctly. Make sure to check your email or phone for the code. Remember, if you choose to use the Authenticator app, make sure it's installed and set up on your phone before starting. This extra layer of security is definitely worth it. Happy gaming!